So if you're looking for a good solid weed killer for your lawn that won't harm your lawn, this is what I recommend. This is the active ingredients of this Roundup weed killer. It is not a grass killer. Don't confuse it with that. This only takes care of like dandelions, crabgrass and things like that. I had a little dandelion problem a while back. I used it. I used another brand that wiped out my dandelions, but it didn't do any damage to the crabgrass. If you guys look very closely, there's some crabgrass starting to take over here. So I'm going to try this Roundup here. And already we're on day 2, and there is a huge difference between day 1 and day 2. To use it, just screw in the bottom of it like you see right here. I'm going over. You can see where the crabgrass is right here. It's all around, and it just keeps spreading. So I'm trying to spray more in that area than anywhere else. Now, this does cover 5,000 square foot of a yard. So you see how I got back. I did this entire yard right here. You can see a little bit in the crabgrass right there. You can tell when it's empty by the line that's on the back of it right there. That'll let you know that you used up all of the chemical that's inside there. It took me maybe 10 minutes. This is the next day. 24 hours later, already look at those brown patches, everybody. That is the crabgrass. Now, now I'm on day 3 at the time of this video, and it's even browner. It's starting to disappear completely. Look at the number it did on that. I am very impressed with this Roundup weed killer. I think it's a great option for anyone that's just looking for a wide variety of weed killer for their lawn that won't harm their lawn, that can make it look nice. So, yeah, there it is. See you in the next video.